And I say the same thing every single time. Baby, you my everything. You all I ever wanted. We could do it real big, bigger than you ever done it. Keep me up on everything. Other hoes ain't never on it. I want this forever.
What's up, you guys? Oh my God, long time no see. What's going on? I feel like I've been missing y'all. Like I just been doing my own little thing, girl. I have not picked up this camera since well, I was going to say Vegas, girl. Since New York. I have not picked up this camera since New York, y'all. It's crazy. It's crazy. But I think I'm back a little. maybe not. I don't know. I've really been loving TikTok lately, you guys. So if y'all don't follow me on TikTok, you got to go follow me on TikTok. It may not be for everybody, okay? Same thing for my Snap. Yeah, judge free zone. Yeah, I'm just warning you. So yeah, if you want to see me how I am, like when I'm on camera, I don't know, y'all. I've had some wine, y'all. But if you want to see me, you know, good, you know, just stick to Instagram and Facebook. But y'all gotta follow me on TikTok. I've been having so much fun. I feel like TikTok has literally been my little outlet, you guys. It's just kind of been like something that I just enjoy. I've been enjoying to do. Y'all, I'm sorry. Why did I start the vlog like this? But I'm just really enjoying to do that. And then also, like, you get like views in like minutes. I would love to do like the TikTok vlogs. But I don't know how I would do that. I don't really know how I would do with that. Because I feel like it would be way too short and stuff like that. But I've been loving TikTok. So I'm going to try to do better at balancing like all three. Because I kind of like been on Instagram. I take pictures and stuff like that. I do my stories. I'm good on stories, girl. Facebook stories. Like I'm good on my stories. But like pictures and stuff. Girl, I have just been living in the moment, y'all. I have literally just been going with the flow. Living in the moment and new experiences, new people, new vibes. I've been loving it. Y'all see I'm glowing. Stop playing with me. Y'all, I literally have on Halloween pajamas. But I got some food. I just left the gym. That's what I was saying, y'all. This is such a weird way for me to start the vlog. But a lot of people have, I don't know, maybe, okay, let me just go ahead and address it. A lot of people have been asking like where I've been, like maybe because my content on TikTok has been like questionable. Maybe that's how people feel. I don't know. I don't really want to get into it because I just kind of do what I do, and then, you know, I don't know. I love y'all so much. I really do. And I love that you guys care so much about me. I love that. And I love y'all too. It's been crazy though, y'all. I just been kind of living life. Like, we'll talk, you know, we'll talk about it. Y'all be making me feel so special. I love y'all too. Like, I really do. like, even on my channel, we literally have created like a community. Like, it's crazy, girl. My hair look a mess. I just left the gym. This vlog is gonna be all over the place. I just left the gym not too long ago, and I took my shower and everything. I just took my little shower cap off my hair. Girl, I don't even do middle parts, but I'm loving the middle part. Let me know what y'all think about the middle part, because I'm loving it. It's kind of crazy right now, honey. It's real crazy. But I'm loving the middle part. So I picked up me some Chick-fil-A because I haven't eaten all day, y'all. I also have not been having an appetite. Like, some days I eat a lot more than normal, and some days I don't eat as much. I'm kind of losing weight a little bit. I know somebody wrote me on Instagram and was like, you getting kind of skinny. I don't want to get skinny. We want to be thick, okay? But I feel like because I'm not eating enough protein and stuff like that, sometimes I'm kind of losing weight. But it's kind of, I'm losing it in the right areas for sure, for sure. So let me go. I need to go heat up my food, y'all, because I know it's probably cold by now. Y'all, my Christmas tree is up. Normally I would show y'all all of this, but I just been missing in action, girl. Girl, I was trying to give y'all a close-up of the Christmas tree, but y'all know it's basic. Like, what's next? Y'all know it's basic. Like, lights, balls, Like, I don't be doing too much, honey. We keep it real simple. So let me show y'all what I end up getting from Chick-fil-A. And even when I'm not eating a whole lot, I've been trying to make sure that I at least like eat protein or have a shake or something, y'all. Ooh, my lips are dry. So I got a kids meal. This is my first time trying the grilled nuggets, y'all. Let me see. They gave me fried nuggets. They don't fucking listen. They gave me fried nuggets, y'all. But it's whatever. I'm gonna put them things in the air fryer and they gonna be busting, okay? Real good. Oh my God. I substitute the fries for fruit, y'all. And what is this? Y'all know the TikTok, it be like, what the fuck is this? What is this? That's what it's giving. I don't know what this is, y'all. Like, this is blueberries, strawberries. Now I eat the blueberries and strawberries. I do not like oranges though. Like, some of this stuff look mushy. Chick-fil-A. Oh, it's apples too. It may not be bad, but I don't like all of this mixed together. I should have been put this in the refrigerator, y'all. I've been home for like 2 hours. And then I got me a salad. I just got a side salad. I'm just gonna put my nuggets in my salad. And this is gonna be my, girl, you might as well say dinner now because it's 5 o'clock. Am I gonna upload this vlog today? I'm literally just doing something, y'all, but I wanna get back active, you know. We're gonna ease our way back into this YouTube thing because I've been missing in action. And I've been missing y'all too. I really have. But honestly, I have also been enjoying living my life off social media. Like, I know TikTok and stuff like that, but I'm saying like vlogging is like real deal, like your life, okay? It's real deal life. It's not jokes or, you know. Only if you could be a fly on the wall in my life. Only if y'all could, girl. Because my life has been crazy. My life has been crazy. My life has been spicy. It's really taking me for a shock. Like, it's crazy, y'all. But I am enjoying every second of it. I'm just enjoying every moment of it. Alright, y'all. Let me get my food going so that I can eat. Because I'm hungry. I think I'm going to eat my the fruit while I put the chicken in the air fryer. Ooh, y'all, I do not like when my fruit I do not like when my fruit is mushy, like especially the blueberries, y'all. Like, my texture is real bad. I feel like I can't even and I bought a banana, y'all, some time ago. I was gonna use it to do like a protein shake. Ask me, have I tried the banana in the protein shake yet? No, they in the garbage can now. But every time I think of some stuff, I just be like, yeah, no, yeah. Thinking maybe in the vlog, I don't know if this one or what, but just to kind of like fill you guys in, like maybe I would do like little Snapchats or just like little things I've been posting since I've been gone from YouTube. Y'all, my mama, I can't even talk. My mama was even like, why did you stop vlogging? What happened? Like, it was, you know. So I'm like, my mama telling me that. Okay. But I love y'all, my friends, like anybody watching, y'all know. Thank y'all for checking in on me. Like, I really do appreciate it. So I don't know if I should like insert that or not. I may do that, just kind of like my life. And y'all, we're on a Christmas break and everything. Like, I could low-key do Vlogmas. Let me stop playing, girl. Like, I'm gonna do Vlogmas the last 2 days. How many days into Christmas? Alexa, I don't even know my phone. How many more days until Christmas? Would I like to hear a Christmas joke? No. But y'all know what? I could do maybe like 5 days to Christmas. Would that be fun? I don't know. We're gonna see, because I actually think I'm gonna upload this vlog today. It's 5 o'clock, but this vlog is gonna be I don't try not to do a whole lot of editing anyway, but it's gonna be like unedited, barely. It's gonna be super easy because there was really no montage or nothing. So yeah, I just want to pick up the camera. Let me get my food because it smells like it's about to overcook. Because I actually think once I'm done with this, I think I'm about to do my makeup, film a video maybe, edit a video maybe, because I do have videos to edit, or do my makeup and do some TikToks. I don't know, we'll see. But thank you guys so much for watching. I just wanted to check in, let y'all know I love y'all, and the vlogs are coming back. Like, we're coming back with the vlogs. Like, y'all don't be hearing about nothing else. But yeah, okay, see y'all tomorrow if I decide to do the 5 days until Christmas. Let me know, comment down below. Bye.
This is the piece that you cannot buy. Send me along.
No plan, no Atari, I won't play with you for nothing. I can eat you like hibachi, cause you bad, bad, bad. Now I'm riding and I'm sliding in the sideways, now she call me her zaddy. Rich nigga shit.
Can I hear a little commotion for the dress? A little bit? Now let's hear it for the back of the dress.
All right, come here. Come sit back down. I'm not going to ask you again to sit back down or tell you again to sit back down.
Be fucking for real.
Get in my Beamer, Benz, a Bentley. Beamer, Benz, a Bentley.
I dropped a perk in his drink, and I don't give a damn. So you're right here. You're gonna step, turn, circle, circle, bam. Same thing over here. Okay? So let's try this again. One more time. Y'all at 9 o'clock? 5 o'clock. All right, y'all. Let's go.
This man talking about unlock my phone or get out his car. Somebody come get me off Ellis.
Can't get in my feelings. We ain't crying by no nigga. We ain't grind by no nigga. Hot spine, no nigga. Let's go get some money and get fine on these niggas. When it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 500 niggas.